Y'all, this process takes me like 5 minutes. Hey y'all, it's Jayla, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel and make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm about to show y'all the wash and go routine that has never failed me, okay? This is my tried and true wash and go routine. Every time y'all compliment my wash and go, this is what I'm doing and this is what I'm using. And I did go ahead and record that process for you, showing you my holy grail products for wash day. Make sure you go ahead and check that video out. This is what we're working with. We are about to style this and go. I will be using 2 products, and they are both from Mielle. I have the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner, and then I have the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Coil Sculpting Custard. So I usually like to split my hair down the middle and work with like one side at a time. So I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner, about 5 pumps of that leave-in for this half of my head, and I'm really just going to put this all in my hair. And this is kind of just like a base. So I go in with half my hair, apply the product that way, and then I still do break my hair up in quadrants and just kind of run my fingers through it to make sure the product is actually being distributed and that I don't miss like the inside of my hair. Because sometimes if your hair is thick or you have a lot of hair, the hair inside of here doesn't really get hit with as much product. The next step and final step is me taking my Coil Sculpting Custard, say that 3 times fast, and I'm literally just going to put this all throughout my hair, making sure every single strand is coated with the product and that this lasts me for a full week. Now, one thing about this product is that it kind of sounds like shampoo in your hair a little bit. So I know my hair is completely coated when I hear almost like a lathering sound. So I'm just finger detangling, make sure that all of my head is getting hit with this product, including the hair at the roots. So once that's done, I move on to the next quadrant. And that's one half of my hair completely done. Now we're going to repeat that process on the other side. Starting off with the leave-in conditioner. Gonna break my hair up into quadrants and just make sure my hair is thoroughly coated with product. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Coil Sculpting Custard and make sure I can thoroughly detangle my hair and that I hear that lathery soapy sound. That's how I know my hair is completely coated in the product. Look at how those curls are popping, y'all. Once that's done, I move on to the next quadrant. Once that's done, y'all, I just comb through my entire head, making sure I get rid of any unwanted parts. That's how much hair came out of my head during that process. All right, y'all, so this is how I style my wash and go. Of course, my hair is wet right now, but I'm gonna let my hair air dry throughout the day, and then I'll check in with y'all to show y'all how my wash and go wears throughout the week. Wash and go day 0, she is wet. Wash and go day 1, still wet. Wash and go day 2, we are finally fully dry. Wash and go day 3, and she's coming into form, honey. Wash and go day 4, she looks different. Wash and go day 5. I have been sweating a little bit today, so we're getting some shrinkage. Wash and go day 6. Come on, volume. Wash and go day 7. Definitely growing in this area. Something's happening here. I hope this helps my type 4 natural hair girlies achieve their best wash and go yet. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can watch more hair videos like this. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.